PowerVault ME4 shutdown and power off instructions. To begin the shutdown process via your GUI system, log in to your ME Storage Manager. Begin by connecting to your Storage Manager. In this example, we're using the default IP address 10.0.0.2. Once this is loaded, log into the ME Storage Manager using your credentials. Again, for this example, we're using the default username manage password !manage. Once you're logged in successfully, select the System tab at the side of the page, then the Action button at the top, and Restart System. The controller restart and shutdown panel will open. Select the shutdown operation, which automatically selects the storage controller type. Select the controller module to shut down, either A, B, or both, and click on OK. As you can see from the GUI menu, the machine has two controllers, Controller A and Controller B, both with two separate controllers, Storage Controller and Management Controller. Even with the Storage Controller shut down, the machine still has power. Although you may not be able to access the system via the GUI anymore, it still maintains connectivity in the SSH. The commands will still pass through after shutdown. While in the shutdown state, the host will not be communicating with the storage anymore, so you can safely turn off the power completely using these buttons at the back. And that's it. For more useful information on this topic, check out the links at the description below, and check out our videos at the end of this for more useful hints and tutorials. Thanks for watching.